Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Comments in PowerPoint let you add comments to slides. While you can add comments for yourself, you often use comments when collaborating on a presentation in PowerPoint. Comments let you add a quick note about possible changes or insert a reminder to add missing slide content. You can use either classic comments or modern comments in PowerPoint for Microsoft 365, depending on which type your Microsoft 365 admin enables. This lesson examines using classic comments in PowerPoint. To insert comments in PowerPoint, first select the object in the currently selected presentation slide to which to add the comment. Alternatively, to add the comment to the current slide itself, don't select any slide objects. Note that unlike modern comments, a classic comment is not attached to the selected object if you move it within the slide. However, selecting the object does give other users a better idea of which slide object you are referencing with your comment, assuming no one moves it. Then click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Comment button in the Comments button group. Alternatively, click the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click the New Comment button in the Comments button group. Doing either action then inserts a comment balloon next to the selected object and opens a text box in the Comments pane that then appears at the right side of the window. Enter the text of the comment into the text box in this pane. After typing the comment, then click into the slide or press the Enter key on your keyboard to set the comment. You can insert as many comments as you need. To navigate through the presentation's comments, when the Comments pane appears at the right side of the window, click the Previous and Next buttons towards the upper right corner of the Comments pane. Alternatively, you can click the Previous and Next buttons in the Comments button group on the Review tab of the ribbon. To turn the display of the Comments pane on or off, click the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click the Show Comments toggle button in the Comments button group. Alternatively, you can click the drop-down part of this button to select the Comments pane and/or Show Markup commands. This toggles those items on or off, respectively. Alternatively, to close the Comments pane, click the X button in its upper right corner. If collaborating with others who are commenting, you can reply to their comments. To reply to a comment in the Comments pane, click into the Reply text box below the comment, type your reply, and then click into the slide or press the Enter key on your keyboard to set it. If a slide has unread changes from a collaborator, it appears highlighted in the Slide Thumbnails pane with a star-like icon in its lower left corner. You can click the slide to view its changes. To delete a comment, select the comment to delete by clicking its markup icon balloon. Then click the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click the Delete button in the Comments button group. Alternatively, to delete a comment in the Comments pane, hover over the comment in the Comments pane, and then click the Delete button, which looks like an X and which appears in the Comments upper right corner. Alternatively, to view all comment deletion options, click the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click the drop-down portion of the Delete button to show a drop-down menu of choices. From this drop-down menu, you can either choose the Delete command to delete a single selected comment, choose Delete All Comments on Slide to delete all slide comments if available, or choose Delete All Comments in this presentation to delete all presentation comments on all slides.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.